So say hi, Yaya. Hey.
Hi.
So here's our trike driver, good man there, and so should be to the bus stop in a little bit, and then we're heading to Oslob to see some whale sharks. Well, like a G, Jack Waller, guys. Take care. What's going on, guys? So we just landed
Welcome to whale sharks.
in Oslob. These guys are gonna show us where to go for free diving.
Time is 10:30.
Wait, 10:10.
Until time.
All right, guys. I'm getting excited, man. Going down and hit some whale sharks right now. So, walking down, we just got off the bus. 700 pesos to go free diving with the whale sharks. So, we're just walking down, getting ready to get wet. So, ready to hit the boat. Hey, what's going on, guys? So, this is the place, Oslob, and this is where you go with the whale sharks, man. So, come along with me, balling like a G with the whale sharks. We're going through orientation, and then after that, we're gonna go on the boat and hit some whale sharks free diving. Can't wait, guys, and almost there to orientation, guys. So here it is. Come to Oslob. It's great. Everybody's all happy, and look at everybody smiling there, as always. The Filipino way, smiles and sunshine. All right, guys, balling like a G, Jack Waller. So, guys, this is what we call a CR or bathroom. We call it a CR in the Philippines. So, just so you know, here, usually you just flush with a bucket. So you go to the bathroom, you fill this up with water, and then you flush. So that's how we do it here. If you're wondering, the CR is called the bathroom in the Philippines. So flush with a bucket, usually not toilet paper. Sometimes there's a bidet, but a lot of times there's not. So you either bring your own baby wipes or you just make it work. So ready for orientation now. So just want to show you what that's like. All right. All right, guys, on the boat here, as you can see, we're almost to the area where the whale sharks are. So it's about 50 meters from the shore. Can't believe it. I don't think I see one yet, but I'm looking.
I don't know where it's got.
Oh, there's one. There's one in there.
This one is Kuya.
It's kind of a baby one. sharks, baby. That was awesome. Freaking awesome, man. Come out here, Oslob. Dive with the whale sharks. You don't need you don't need to scuba. You just free dive, you snorkel, and you can have the time of your life. I just did. First time I ever saw a whale shark, so beautiful. That was amazing. We got some great shots. I'll show you. And yeah, woo! Can't say enough. Thanks, guys. All right. Everything's better in the Philippines. The best drug on earth. Take care. As the sun sets on our day, we're headed back to MOALBOAL, and it was a wonderful day in Oslob. Took 2 buses to get there, not a problem, and 2 buses to get back. We actually took a trike to the first bus, so in MOALBOAL. So that was 150 pesos, and it was 130 each, and then 40. So that was our transportation cost. And then on the way back it was 110 and 30. So not too bad for a 3-hour bus ride. A lot cheaper than taking a private limo or one of those bus tours.